Memo bibia kwaba eba Melodies TV so. Enra me mamoti asiyese me the story bibe bremo. Na Ghana penyi pa yefeno Ansa Asare. Na people who don't know Ansa Asare no, ye kan Ghana School of Law embre bi by onu na wo ye penyi. Nti ye kan legal matters ewo krom ha, eya na enkrofo efre no. Na watre na adwen ewo insensem eso. Na wade nsema ba betuja. Na asemu a wo kan say Supreme Court no, they have caused chaos in Parliament. The Supreme Court have added to the problem. Asemu a wo kan no. And mama mo ati say case we odie forget about ye law students. Ye students of the law. Ye call law school. Forget about ye. Now focus on the legal brains for the very first time in the history of our country, Omobo Supreme Court for this ruling. Supreme Court ebabeye no. Into waka say Supreme Court, because yesterday I told you say the Asemko Supreme Court a interpretation. Ni yeka interpretation a yepese asumdwe eba. Uko tremu no obi aba bete ase. Akwa ese woni obi enya asem na yedemo akọ ohene anim. Se mokọ ohene anim a ohene ne kase wi a ye expect se asumdwe beba because ohene ne de nyansa wode ni mpanyifo de nyansa be kasa. Na wa wonte ho asekra no wate ase. But ohe Supreme Court yi ohene ya yede asem kokotu nanim ya. Se ni ohene ne di asem no kra no. Ama ye mienu ne kra no obi aye confused. Obi asusu se we di amame, we susu se we di amame, we susu se we di amame. Inti ama confusion ne kra no sisi aba e basa. Ene na Supreme Court for aye. Inti no Ansa Asare bo Supreme Court echi. Yankenkan story no. O say legal luminary and statesman Kweku Ansa Asare has criticized the Supreme Court of Ghana for the chaos in Parliament after the Speaker of Parliament Abambagwen declared 4 seats in the House vacant. According to him, the Supreme Court's decision to hear the matter has exacerbated the problem in the House, leading to 2 indefinite adjournments in less than a month. Inti brofo obika say bibia exacerbate bibia. Natre say waba be say asem no kra. O say Ansa Asare, a former director of the Ghana School of Law, argued that the Supreme Court's intervention was unnecessary and did not have the authority to interfere in the political disputes between the minority functions. I say the Supreme Court doesn't have any say, in this political tussle that is going on between the minorities. It is devoid of any constitutional legality, to send it to the Supreme Court. I say that has added to the problem because sometimes in trying to find a solution to a problem, you rather create more problems. Somebody runs to the Supreme Court. We have an issue in the Supreme Court. Who are the parties in the first place? So the Supreme Court, you saw one party or recognized one party, Afenyomakin, who were the other parties. They said the speaker, he opined. Ansa Asare emphasized that the Supreme Court should have dismissed the case once it realized the speaker's involvement, as the Attorney General should have been the nominal defendant. He criticized the MPs for boycotting Parliament and requesting a recall until the Supreme Court's ruling, stating that the Supreme Court did not have ultimate authority in the matter. I say it was not the speakers, whether it was a ruling or an opinion or a communication, that sparked off the fire. It was the announcement of the pronouncement of the MPP that they would boycott Parliament until the final determination of the suits before the Supreme Court. And the suit has not been finally disposed of. And therefore, as far as I'm concerned, they have said they will not go right. So let us wait until the 11th of this month. I'll say it was a laughable request they made. If you say that the Supreme Court has the most say in this matter, I beg to differ, he added. And then, went on and went on. But, media, as someone can say, there has never been a case in this country. Case no, ye na etitiru net And this is what I want people to take notice of. If a normal NDC4, a normal bloggers, a normal social media commentators, and a able Supreme Court here, and on any big deal. And they say NDC4 na able Supreme Court here, any big deal, say any NDC4. Where the Uncrophobic say politics, there's no problem there. Say NDC4 na able Supreme Court here, there is no big deal with that. Say normal people be enable Supreme Court here, no big deal. But legal luminaries, etitiruwa wa mo abobra ewo embremu. Retired Supreme Court judges. Supreme Court no mote ho sese no. Omo seniors, because those retired Supreme Court judges and no more Supreme Court no. Na sa Supreme Court judges we no mo so ye judges na so na retired Supreme Court judges no eyo mo panyi. Inti omo panyi a wo mo abobra se omo. Lawyers. Look at astute lawyers like Chachuchi Kata. All of them sitting down to criticize you, then obviously there should be something wrong. Obviously there should be something wrong. In fact, not only them, even the same judges among your Motena case so. And this is what I want people, and then I'm better profession in Sunu. And yet there's ordinary Ghana for Nekasau. Same judges are Monio Motena case Nesono. Bako kra wono no President Akufo-Addo ya na de ne bae. A ye ni na ya na ye ka se President Akufo-Addo judges to ye MPP fo nkwa no de omo aba no. Bako kra wono President Akufo-Addo ya na de ne bae. Ono kra ruling asem a wo ka ne se sa de we eye aberration. Bronika se mi read English nature Bronika se bibi ya aberration a. Say, let me check the definition of the word aberration bio. For people who want to understand where I want to arrive at a point. Maybe I want to say. Obronika se bibi ya aberration. Just say abnormality, deviation. What you say? Disorder, defect, disease. As a yare. Bronika se bibi ya aberration. That is the meaning. A abnormal. Adiana se ye yare. Ini kwan se eba nipa so. Same judge a wotena case ni so. O se we ye aberration. Ase mra no ya say no ya boegu baby. Ono judge no na nkopese o keeping no ho a. Asem no be kan say, well, but I just disagree. No we twa so wo ho. He went further to say always she say in the near future, sa ruling we no, ye became ni asesa no. Do you know what it means? That means judge na some person can say, adie ne nye to the point where any kwan kra say ye de ba nipa so. But me bompa said that be because it happens. Me bompa said that be judge se betena se. Ni akase ruling we ya ye mbongu enye judge foforo a wo Supreme Court ho enye judge foforo a wo baby eye judge a what case na so. And so I just want people to understand say ye ni ye kasa na mo hu ne say bia ye ni ye kasa ma NDC ye NDC4 because ya kasa ye beto ama NDC ntino ye no ye kasa tia. Oh dear, look at the people who are speaking. Look at the caliber of people. Omo abobra omo kasa tia sa ruling, including judges that omo ankasa tena case ne so kra no kasa tia sa ruling. Look at them and listen to what they are saying. Case ben ene yakoso wo Ghana a ruling na ba judges na etena case ne so no omo kra ma ruling bi sada case ben minhu bi da minti bi da. And that should tell you something. That should tell you something. Mon share mo your comment box ni mo, bedasi.